Imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment. Hello everyone, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor, and today we are going to process using filter Topaz of the Topaz Labs, Topaz Restyle, Topaz Clarity to process NGC 7000. This nebula, North America Nebula, if I'm right, North America Nebula. A fantastic view. Let's do first the deep sky colors. Hasta la vista green week, and the green is gone. Some of the green is gone. So now you're going to use Topaz Labs Restyle. Topaz Labs Restyle improve the image a lot. Heart Nebula, I have my one presets. Mundo, of the Mundo Astronômico. You need to create yours to save here. Let me see, NGC Hubble palette here. This image is a Hubble palette. Let's try another one. Let me see. I like this one. Let's try this one. Okay. The image is a little bit strange, but I'm going to use Topaz Clarity. Topaz Clarity, I will take off some of this data. Saturation, magenta, purple, no, I'm not going to take all the purple, all the magenta, all the red. Here it's looking strange. Let's Ctrl Z and do again Topaz Labs. Let's be a more simple. Restyle. Let's try NGC Hubble palette here. Perfect. The image is very good now. We are going to use, let me see if the curves can be a little bit better. Let me see. I know. Let's create another copy, two copies. Do this one, curves, take off here, merge down. Now we are going to use a layer mask, review all, go to the brush to black, and select that region. Okay, ready? Now we're going to use filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, merge down. Look at the difference. And copy another one, curves, goes here, merge down, layer mask, reveal all, and reveal this nebulosity. Blur, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, and the image is very good. Let's save as, and layers no. Let's save with no compression. This is important. Okay, this is the image before after. The image is very more interesting just using Photoshop. This is, guys, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. We have videos almost every day about astrophotography, processing, and courses. This is a course about Photoshop. We have courses on Maximum DL, IRAF. We have a course on DSS, Deep Sky Stacker, but they are in Portuguese. Now I am creating the English version. Thank you, guys. This is Mundo Astronômico.